dad works here.
My name is Jackson and my dad works here.
Hi, my name is Evelyn and my mom works here.
Hi, my name is Jade and my grandma works here.
Hi, my name is Wyatt and my grandmother works here.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
Probably a baseball player.
I want to be a YouTuber.
I want to be a football star.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a NICU nurse.
I want to be a professional football player.
Thanks for watching our OneMonroe